How to connect Namecheap domains to Shopify or any third-party domain. Hello everyone, welcome back. So if you're looking to add your Namecheap, GoDaddy, or any other type of domain onto your Shopify store, you can do it in a few simple and easy steps. To do this, just head on over into your Shopify dashboard, click on Settings on the left, and then you're going to click on Domains on the left menu bar. Once you click on Domains, you're going to click on Connect Existing Domain. Once you click on Connect Existing Domain, you're going to take whatever domain you have. So I have this new domain that I want to add. I'm going to copy this domain and then paste it over here. Once you do that, click on Next. And once you click on Next, the Shopify store will actually provide you with certain instructions to connect your domain. So this is the domain, and you have to follow these instructions and change your provider account settings. Verify the connection to make your domain setup complete. Now, these instructions are just to add the CNAME and all of the records of your store. So you can just view these instructions if you want. It's not something you have to go through every time you're connecting a new domain. You're simply going to go back and we are going to click on the domain info. You guys can see this is our primary domain. And we are going to click on Connect Existing Domain, paste in our domain, spencerstore.agency. We're going to click on Verify Connection. And now, once you click on Verify Connection, now you're actually going to add your domain. You're going to go into your domain name provider, whether it's GoDaddy or Namecheap, and you're going to click on Manage DNS. So you're just going to open up the DNS settings that you have for your domain. Then you have to add these two things, the A record and the CNAME. We're going to copy the A record and we are going to go on ahead, click on Add New Record, and choose our A record. Then just paste in your record and then add the value. So you're just going to copy the required value and add it over here. Then click on Save. Once you do that and you have updated your DNS, you're going to click on Add New Record, then go ahead and copy your CNAME record. You're going to select CNAME over here, type in the name, and then you're going to copy the required value, paste in the value, and then click on Save. This currently conflicts with another domain for some reason, which is a bit odd. This usually does not happen. We're just going to verify our connection, and now our domain has now been added. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.